Ever found yourself at the end of a long day, hailing a Grab, only to realize your digital wallet is looking a bit empty, but your physical one is bulging with cash? A sudden panic sets in. Can you actually pay for your Grab ride using good old-fashioned cash? It's a question many of us have pondered, especially when navigating the increasingly cashless world of ride-hailing and food delivery. Let's dive into whether Grab still accepts the green stuff and what your options are. For a long time, cash was king, even in the digital age. Grab, understanding the diverse preferences of its users, initially offered cash as a primary payment method across many of its services. This was a huge convenience, especially in regions where digital payment adoption was still nascent, or for users who simply preferred managing their expenses in physical currency. Imagine getting off a long flight, your credit card acting up, and the relief of knowing you could just pay your Grab driver in cash. However, the world, and indeed Grab, is constantly evolving. There's been a significant global push towards digital payments for several reasons: increased efficiency, enhanced security, and the sheer convenience of not having to worry about exact change. For companies like Grab, digital transactions also offer better data tracking and a smoother operational flow. This shift has led to some changes in how cash is integrated into the Grab ecosystem. So, to answer the burning question, does Grab still accept cash? The answer is, generally, yes, but with some important nuances and regional variations, ***. In many countries where Grab operates, you absolutely can still select cash as a payment option for GrabCar and GrabFood services. When you book a ride or order food through the app, you'll typically see a payment method selection before confirming your booking. Here, you can usually tap on cash if it's available in your region for that specific service. This means your driver or delivery partner will expect a cash payment upon completion of the service. However, it's crucial to understand that cash availability can vary based on your specific location and the particular Grab service you're using. Some newer Grab services, or those in more digitally advanced urban centers, might lean more heavily towards cashless transactions. Furthermore, Grab occasionally runs promotions or offers discounts that are exclusive to cashless payments, encouraging users to switch to GrabPay wallet, credit/debit cards, or other digital methods. There's also the consideration of convenience for the drivers and delivery partners. While they are obligated to accept cash if it's selected, many prefer cashless payments as it reduces the hassle of carrying change and enhances personal safety by minimizing the amount of cash on hand. Grab also sometimes limits cash transactions in certain high-traffic areas or during peak hours to streamline operations. My advice? Always check your Grab app before confirming your booking. The app is designed to show you the available payment options for your selected service and location. If cash isn't an option, it means that particular service or region doesn't support it at that time. In such cases, you'll need to link a digital payment method. If you frequently use Grab, consider setting up and topping up your GrabPay wallet. It's often the most seamless and rewarding way to pay. The move towards a cashless society is undeniable, and Grab is certainly part of that trend. While cash remains an option for many, understanding its nuances and preparing for a more digital future will only make your Grab experience smoother. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.